How wrong?
I told you that whenever there is an introduction or the mention of the geometry, that is called as postulates. I told you that given two distinct points, there is a unique line. Line is what? Line is geometry.
But it is axiom 5.1.
But it is axiom 5.1, but it's a postulate because this is a sub postulate of this part.
Okay.
Axiom is related to the general thing, but this is the after one postulate one. This I told that you are right. This is called the heading is the axiom, but it is related to geometry.
Okay.
Okay, one thing. If a straight line falls on a straight line, falls on two straight line and makes the interior angle is less than 180 degree. So which side basically the two lines will merge or intersect?
On the side in which two straight lines are produced indefinitely.
No. Which side? Like which one has greater 180 degree or less than 180 degree?
Less than 180 degrees.
Less than 180 degree. Very good. Which means that you have revised. Very good. So in this class here, we will be doing some numericals, like very few numericals are there for the axioms and postulates. And after that, we'll be starting coordinate.
Okay.
After like we will be like almost like after the linear equation, we will be done with the algebra. Because fifth chapter is, let me see, fifth chapter is Euclid's, sixth is triangles, seventh is quadrilaterals, lines and angles. Sixth is lines and angles, seventh is triangles, eighth is quadrilateral, ninth is your circles. So from sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Tenth is I think Heron's formula. Yes. So 6 to 10, 5 chapters are from geometry. First to 5 are from algebra, and 11th and 12th is statistics. And 11th chapter is surface area and volumes, which is also a geometrical thing because calculation is there. Because like the measurement of circle, cylinder, these all the things. So this would be a mensuration part. It's a geometrical part as well. So 6 to 11 are for geometry, and 12th is the stats. Basically, probability is not there in the school exams.
What?
I'm saying, do you have probability in your school syllabus?
Yes.
You have probability. Okay. Like some schools are not following the rationalized content of CBSE NCERT books.
No,
Because
we have full.
Yes.
We have full. We have everything.
You have everything. Seriously, you have everything.
Yes.
Like share the syllabus once you get the syllabus in a PDF form, because I want the syllabus in a complete manner so that I can get to know that which chapters and which topics are there. So, because NCERT has basically omitted some portion from the book itself. So that's why I want to know that if some of the topics which are missing in the NCERT book, so that's why I have to I have to teach you separately.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start the axiom and postulates questions. Then we will be starting coordinate. Okay, Smrit?
Yes, sir.
So let me take this question. That is the most simple question. Yes. This is it. So Simrat, the question is saying that you have to prove this. So can you tell me how to prove it? Like any idea how to prove it using axiom or postulate?
Using axiom.
Like we can also use axiom. Axiom if we basically use we can also use axioms here. We can also use axioms is all like applied to all the things in the universe. Okay, axioms. I told you na axioms are universal truth.
Yes.
I told you yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. So axiom is universal
Universal.
truth. Yes. So you can use the axiom also. Any idea? Yes, Simrat.
Using the first axiom.
Uh, no,
No.
no.
Then.
Try to you like you have the exam, like you have the book notebook, their notes as well. Exams are also there. Try to think about it. Which exam is perfectly fit?
Okay.
Like first exam, I think so is first exam is things which are equal. No, no, things which are equal, not like and like one exam is already applicable directly, and that's the main. That's the answer itself. The exam is the answer itself of this question.
Huh?
Yeah, think about it a little bit. Okay, listen, listen. Smrit, listen. Now tell me if I just a second. If I placed I am not able to just a second. Like suppose this line is very bad. Just a second. I'm not good at drawing. That's why this is giving me pop trouble. Yeah. So suppose this line is directly coinciding on the same line. Assume that because I'm not able to put the same line on the same thing. Okay. So basically the question is saying that if ABC are the 3 points on the line, B lies between A and C. Obviously, B is lying between A and C. Then prove that AB plus AB plus BC is equals to AC. Now with the exam 4, now tell me if the things which are coinciding to each other are equal to one another or not.
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
basically, AB and BC line, AB and BC line, suppose AB is another line and BC is another line, which is lying on the whole line AC. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Have you got this point? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is the answer.
Uh,
That is the answer itself. So you can directly say if the lines are coinciding, write the exam 4. You can directly write from exam 4. You have to basically write the complete exam statement from exam 4, which is the things coincides with one another are equal to one another. Is this clear, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay. So you can directly say AB B plus BC is equals to AC. Is AB and BC basically AC coincides on AB plus BC. AC so Simrat, is this clear, dear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Yes, Simrat. One theorem is left basically. Basically, theorem is like theorem has a very like statement type proof. Let me write it down. Theorem 5.1. So theorem is saying that two distinct lines, two different lines basically, two distinct mean two different lines cannot have more than one point in common. Now let me take this thing as, now suppose similar, if two different lines are these, so now similar, tell me, are these two lines, can we have more than one common point
No.
if they are intersecting like any of the way, if they're intersecting like any of the way, this is the, so can there be any just let me take one more example of this. This is the line, suppose, and this is the line here. So is there any way like after one intersecting one at a time, like once, is there any point which is common to another after one point?
No.
No, no.
No.
So there can be only one and one common point of two distinct lines.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the theory.
Hmm.
If basically, if there is two, like suppose that if there are two different, like if there are two unique points of intersection, so a common point of intersection. Just a second. So this is the theorem 5.1. So this is the intersection point and this is the intersection point. Okay, is this clear, similar to you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no? Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
So if suppose Simrat, now tell me if there are two common points, so can you tell me which axiom is getting violated?
What?
If it is, if you have two common points of intersection of two distinct lines, which is not possible. Suppose if it is possible, so which axiom will violate it? Given two distinct, like if there are two different points, only one line can pass through it.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, and suppose this is the another point of intersection. And suppose, okay, so now tell me, can line pass through if there are 2 points? If there are 2 points, already 2 points are there. So are you able to use this point for the line?
Yes.
How? You can have only one line between two distinct points.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So this axiom will get violated. Contradiction.
Yes.
Okay, is this clear, Simrat dear?
Yes. Yes.
Simrat, clear? Basically, if this is the thing, basically, if two distinct lines, if a line is passing through two distinct points, only one line can pass through it. And if it's possible that if the intersection are two, basically two intersection common points are there of two distinct lines. So now tell me, this axiom will directly violate it that two distinct points, basically, just a second, these 2 points are there. Only one line can pass through it. I told you yesterday class.
Yes.
Is this clear to you?
Yes.
That's why this is getting violated. So it's not possible to have common point more than one of two distinct lines.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do true and false of first question of the NCRT. You have to justify the answers as well. Now you will be justifying.
Okay.
Okay, I will help you, but in all of that, you have to answer.
Okay.
Yes, Simran. First one.
Mm. First one is
Is it true
axiom
or
5.
false? It
Uh,
is true or false.
Online can pass through its mark.
Simrat, I told you that using one point, how many lines can be there? Now,
One
using one point, how many lines can be there?
infinite lines can be there.
Infinite. Very good. You can directly say that, no, dear. This is the point. You can pass, an infinite number of lines can pass through this point. Like
Yes.
infinite. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no? You can see that infinite lines will be there. So this is
Yes.
false. Because infinite lines can be passed using which axiom? Let me give you example. This, not this, sorry.
Axiom. Second.
Just a second. Just a second. I think axiom is not. So basically, if you directly say that only one line, so it's false because an infinite number of lines can be passed through a single point.
Yes.
Now tell me this, there are infinite lines, there are infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Is it false or true?
False.
False. Very good. Which axiom is applicable basically?
Axiom 5.1.
One axiom 5.1. Sorry for the background noise, dear. Actually, I don't know what has happened. Actually, some firecrackers are outside there. So
Uh,
a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. Yes or no? False or true?
uh, Definitely. Paul,
Yes, Simran.
I don't know the answer to the third one.
Simran, just see the axiom 2. Just not
Okay.
axiom 2. I've somewhere written it. Like I think postulate 2. Postulate 2. A terminated line can be drawn indefinitely. Is this clear, Simran?
Yes.
So this is true.
Okay.
Okay. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Radius, plural form of radius is radii.
Okay.
So now tell me, is this true or false?
If two circles are equal, then the radius is equal. True.
Yes, true. Obviously true. If two circles are equal, which means that they are directly coinciding, which means that everything is equal. So that's why their radii are equal.
Yes.
If AB, PQ and PQ equals to XY and AB is equals to XY, now tell me, is this true or false?
If PQ AB equal PQ and PQ, then AB equal XY. It's true.
Yes, Simran?
It's true.
It's true. Which axiom? Axiom first.
First axiom, things which are equal to the same things are equal to one
The
another.
same are equal to other. My hand is equal to this, like this kind of thing. Like, okay.
Yes.
So is this clear, Simran, to you?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
So let me take, let me have some one. Let me share the question. Yeah. So let's take this question. Yeah. So let's do this question. Simran. If suppose let me take one line here. Question is saying that this is a line. Okay. It's saying that AB are points such that AC is equals to BC. C is a point somewhere lying on a line. So this is A, C is there, and B is there. So given is what is given here? AC is equals to BC. Is this clear? And what we need to prove?
AC equal.
AC is equals to half BC. Is this clear, similar to you, dear?
Yes.
Now tell me, what can we do? Which axiom should we apply? Not BC, it's AB, sorry. It's AB.
Uh, things which are half of the same things are equal to one another.
Yes, Simran?
Things which are half of the same things are equal to one another.
It's already given, so it's no need to use that because it's already saying that. It is not saying half. The question is not saying half, it's saying like if the question is saying that between two lines, there's a between 2 points, there is a point C lies on the such that AC is equals to BC. Like it's midpoint basically. Yes, it's saying, but it's already given. So why we use that point? What's the need? These questions are a little bit tricky. You just have to revise the axiom, and that's the main thing in this chapter. Like the chapter, as you know, that is, it's very easy. Yes or no? Like it
Yes.
takes only one class to cover it because it's a very small and easy chapter.
Yes.
But some questions, the questions of this chapter are a little bit tricky. A little bit, not more than that. Now tell me, Simrat, just a second, see here. Proof. So question, it is saying that AC is equals to BC. Clear? So
Yes.
if we add the equals on the same side, the answer will be equal. First axiom, not first, I think it's fourth. Like you basically the order can be changed. No need to worry about it that you have to remember these axioms in the same line, but you have to mention that line. If
Okay.
same, or you can say if equals are added to added to equal are added to equal, then answer will be
Equal.
equal. Is this clear, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next thing is, so we can add, can we add AC plus BC equals to BC plus of BC using
Yes.
this line? Yeah,
Yes.
basically AC is equals to BC and we are adding the same thing, na?
Yes.
Confirm?
Yes.
Okay. So Simrat, can we write AC plus BC equals to AB?
Yes.
AC plus BC equals to AB, na? If you break them, AB, you will, if you add them, you will get AB.
Yes.
Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Very good. You can say that this is equation 1, and you can say that AC plus BC is equals to AB. This is equation 2, dear. Okay. So you can write using equation 2. Can you write 2BC is equals to AC?
Yes.
I'm just replacing the this term with AB. Is this clear, Simrat, which I'm telling you right now?
Yes.
Is this clear, Simrat?
Yes.
Okay. So now tell me what we have to prove. We have to prove that AC is equals to half AB.
Yes.
We have to prove that AC equals to half BC. So can I write BAC in place of BC because it's already given?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
So 2AC is equals to AB. Sorry, it is AB, not AC. It is AB. AB. So AC is equals to half of AB. How? We have just divided this two into this. Hence proved. Is this clear, Simrat? Simrat, is this clear?
Yes.
Have you not written it down?
No.
Write it down, dear. Why are you waiting? First, tell me if it is clear, then write it down. If not, I will explain it to you another time.
No, it's clear.
Sure. If the same kind of question appears in your exam, will you be able to solve it?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Written it, note it down, and then I will take this another example.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yes, Simran, you are sure. Is this clear?
Yes.
Very good. Simran, is it complete, written completed?
Yes.
Okay, so let's solve this one here. Just whenever you are done with the written part, so let me know. Okay. I thought that you are writing, that's why I was waiting. Okay. So Simrat, in this question, we have to prove that AB is equals to CD. In the given part, it is saying that AC is equals to BD. And to prove what we have to prove, Simrat,
AB
AB
equals
is equals to CD. Okay. So what we can do, let's start the proof. So Simrat, the question is saying, now Simrat, tell me, can I write AC as AB plus BC?
yes.
If I basically, can I write it or not? AB plus BC.
Yes.
Just a second. Is this clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Very good. So AB plus BC is equals to AC. This is our first equation. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Can I write BD as BC plus CD?
Yes.
BC plus CD is equals to BD. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Now tell me, AC and BD are already equal. So can I equate both of them, these two parts?
Yes.
Simrat, please be honest. If you are clear with this step, yes or no?
Yes.
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 So basically equating equation 1 and equation 2. Why? Because AC and BD is already equal. Let me write it here. AC is equals to BD. Okay. So AB plus BC is equals to BC plus CD. Is this clear, similar to you? Yes or no, dear? Please be honest. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So which axiom should we apply?
If equals are added to equals, their whole is equal.
No. What we have to do basically, Simran, we have to prove AB is equals to CD. So in this equation, what we need to minus? If I subtract something from this on the right hand side and the left hand side, what will be left? Which specific part should be subtracted to get AB equals to CD?
BC.
BC, very good. So BC can, so both are equal. AB plus BC equals to BC plus CD, yes or no? So you can say that if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainder is also equal. Simrat, is this step clear to you, dear? Yes or no?
Yes.
So AB plus BC minus BC equals to BC minus BC plus CD. So this BC will cancel out this and this will cancel out this basically. So what we have got, AB equals to CD. Hence, proved. Tell me, Simrat, is it easy or not?
Confusing, but it's easy.
It's a little bit tricky. You just have to do nothing, but you just have to add or subtract, and already everything is given there. You just have to be very focused. Okay, write it down.
I wrote.
You have got it?
Yes.
Okay. So Simrat, so that, like, this is the question basically. Like these kinds of question can be asked in the school exam, or true or false related to axioms. So you have to be very careful about the axioms. Okay, try to memorize them before
I
the exams.
memorized.
Very good. That's a very great thing. And use the axioms to that apply on the questions, postulates as well.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this chapter is over. Is this any?
Chapter
Is
is
there?
over.
Yes, chapter is over. Is there any doubt in this chapter?
No.
Only one topic is there already. So that's why it is very short chapter. Like we have 15 minutes, so we can start the coordinate geometry. And in the next class, we will be like done with the coordinate as well, because coordinate is a small topic, as same with the Euclids. Nothing special is there.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me write it down. The new chapter name. Coordinate geometry. Quadrants. Just a second. Give me a moment, Simran. So this chapter basically is Simran. Coordinate geometry is basically nothing but, just let me take one example here. So Simran, this is our Cartesian system. Plane, Cartesian plane. Okay. This is called X, Y axis. Do you know name? No, no issue, no issue. This is called x-axis. This is called x bar. This is called y bar. Okay. This is called origin, where these all the axes meet is called
Origin.
origin. Very good. Origin. So basically in coordinate geometry, we basically deal in steps, somewhat like steps thing. Okay. So basically, suppose like this is a pair of coordinate. How you will represent them, how we will basically understand it. Basically, you will say that first, this is x value, this is y value. Okay. Okay, Simra, this is clear?
Yes.
So basically, you will say that first, it has moved 4 steps in the positive x-axis. Positive value is there, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've told you that it is a somewhat like number line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3 will be till infinite. -1, -2. Is it in number line?
Yes.
But it's a kind of double number line because it is only x-axis. There's one y-axis as well. Is this clear, similar to you, which I'm
Yes.
telling you right now?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So basically, this 4,3 is saying that a person has taken 4 steps from the origin in the positive x-axis. This is the positive x-axis line. This is the negative x-axis line. This is the positive y-axis and this is the negative y-axis. Clear, Simran?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you say that 4,3, it's saying that a person has taken 4 steps in the direction of positive x-axis, and after that it has taken 3 steps in the positive y direction. 1, 2, and 3. So now person is standing here. So now are we taking, like, as you can see that we are taking steps. Yes or no? It's a kind of step thing. Like some steps has been taken by someone and we got the position. Like if I say that, Simrat, please move in the positive x direction with the step of 5. You will take 5 steps and then I will say, Simrat, move in the y-axis direction, negative y-axis direction. Isn't it like somewhat like south? This is north, this is west, this is east, this is south.
Yes.
Similarly, what now? That kind of thing. Yeah. So these things are called x-axis. Not V, this is Y, this is y-axis. This is called x-axis. Okay, this is origin. These squares type, like these 2 lines have divided in basically made 4 segments, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? This is called, let me erase this. Just a second, let me share it with you again because my laptop got freezed. So this is called first quadrant. Okay, this is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant. This is called fourth quadrant. Is this clear, Simrat? Yes or no? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So Simrat, tell me, in this quadrant, value of x is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Value of y is positive or negative?
Positive.
Now tell me, in this quadrant, what is the value of x and y? Positive, negative?
X is positive. X is negative. Y is positive.
X is negative, na? X is this thing, y is this thing.
Yes.
In this quadrant, tell me which one is positive, which one is negative.
Both are negative.
Both are negative. Very good, Simrat. Very good. Now tell me, in this quadrant, which one is positive, which one is negative.
X is positive. Y is negative.
Very good. So Simrat, these are the signs of these quadrants. These signs are not gonna change. Like if you go in 12th class, signs would be same. Okay. First quadrant means all the values are positive. X and Y will be positive. Second quadrant means X is negative, Y is positive. Third quadrant means both are negative. Fourth quadrant means X is positive, Y is negative. Is this clear, Simrat dear?
Yes.
Anything which is not clear to you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Completely sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So basically, Simrat, the value of X is called abscissa. This is abscissa. ABSCI
Okay.
The value of y coordinate is called now. Simran, tell me, are you enjoying maths or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
It is looking very much very funny. Like maths is very, as you can see that we can play with maths. Yes or no? I told you.
Yes.
Is this all clear to you, which I have taken till now in this chapter?
Yes.
Is called ordinate. And if you add abscissa and ordinate, basically, which means that x, if you add abscissa and ordinate, you will get coordinates. This is called as the pair, basically the pair of x and y is called as coordinate. Is this clear, dear? Coordinates. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Now tell me, this is x and y. This is called as
Coordinates.
coordinates. Very good. Is this clear, similar to you, dear?
Yes.
If there is the value of x which is called abscissa, because in some of the questions it will not say x coordinate, it will say abscissa value is this, which means that it is saying, it is talking about coordinate, this is talking about x coordinate value.
Okay.
And some question it say ordinate, that means that it's talking about y coordinate. Yes or no, dear?
Yes.
Is this clear to you or not?
Yes.
Right now, which I have told you, is this clear to you or not? Sure, be honest. Any doubt?
No.
Sure. Okay. So That's the introduction of this chapter basically. This is called Cartesian system. The whole thing is called,
Cartesian.
yes. Basically, these two axes are called Cartesian plane. And the whole thing is called Cartesian system. Basically, if we include this negative sign first quadrant and these things, it's called Cartesian system. Is this clear, similar to you, dear?
Yes.
Is there anything not clear to you? The value of origin, one more thing is that the value of origin is 0, 0. Whenever it is saying the value of origin, which means that, or you can say the coordinates of origin. Is 0, 0. If anybody says what are the coordinates of origin, you will say 0, 0.
Okay.
It is the origin. Simrat, tell me. If this is a number line, positive is there, negative is there, and it is the 0. And same here. So it is the 0 point. Na? X and Y will be 0.
Yes.
Yes or no, Simrat, dear?
Mm.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So Simrat, so let's take this class, like let's end this class here. I will send you some homework question as well. Very easy questions. You just have to identify. Basically, I will give you some pair. Like suppose let's take one. Now Simrat, tell me, this is -4. What is the quadrant of this coordinates?
Third.
Very good. Very good. So these are the questions which will be there in the homework. Okay, no need to worry about it. Is this clear, similar to you, dear? Yes or no? Any doubt?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So Simrat, let's end this class here. There is no assessment today, dear. Like in the previous assessment, how much you got?
I got 3.
You got 3. Try to be more accurate, dear.
Something about elements was there.
Elements what? Elements is nothing but elements means what? Anything which is in the universe is called element. This
Yeah,
pen
they
is
asked
an
how many
this,
elements are there.
okay.
I didn't know the answer.
Okay, no issues. So apart from that, I will look into it. I will look into it. No need to worry about it. Apart from that, is there any other question which is not being solved by you?
No.
Are you able to solve all of them?
Yes.
Was it like in the first go you are able to solve all the questions now?
Yes.
Yeah, that's very good, dear. So that's a good thing. So no need to worry about it. Okay, so let's end this class here, dear. I will send you some homework question. In the next class, you will be having an assessment in the next class because I will cover some basic portion as well, some